What are the key issues that must be considered in driving cashless payments as we evolve through the fourth industrial revolution in West Africa, particularly Nigeria?
The key issue is who is the driver and who is trying to slow it down. Drivers are customers, especially the young customers. Drivers are banks, but banks are a little bit ambivalent about it because there are risks, and they are ambivalent about their expertise, their competitive edge related to cashless solutions. Drivers are mobile network operators. They are champions of cashless solutions, yet they are also ambivalent about it because their core business is telecommunications. Drivers are regulators. Regulators understand that cashless drives financial inclusion, yet regulators are ambivalent about it because there are incredible risks related to it, from cybersecurity to certain fraud cases. So everyone is driving it, but except for the customer himself or herself, everyone is a little bit ambivalent as well. What is the end game? The end game is that Nigeria will go through aggressive, exponential, and large-scale cashless transition, and that is going to be highly beneficial.
A very important issue is the payment systems infrastructure that's going to be required to even scale what we call financial inclusion, which is a major concern in a country like Nigeria. What will be the role of the central bank, we talk about regulators, in ensuring that this whole scaling is seamless and the fear of regulation is not, someone talked about regulation, this fear doesn't come to the fore so that we can really see the scale as we expect?
Right. So for central bankers, this is a very hard time because globally, internationally, we see more than 1,000, again I am repeating it, more than 1,000 different technologies emerging within financial services. For traditional regulators, for traditional central bankers, this is a huge challenge to keep their eyes on approximately, I am repeating it, 1,000 different new trends. One of the things to consider is to regulate technologies. Usually regulators have a paradigm to avoid regulating technologies, to regulate players, entities, instead of technologies. In this case, when more than 1,000 technologies are emerging, and some of them are very high impact, the regulators have to gently and comfortably and carefully consider to give up this principle and to regulate certain technologies. 5G is coming. This is going to totally change the payments ecosystem. Blockchain is coming. This is going to totally change the payments ecosystem. Artificial intelligence is coming. This is going to completely change the banking system, even beyond the payments ecosystem. So this is hard time for central bankers, hard time for regulators. Yet what I see is that good central bankers, good regulators can manage this hard time and turn it into an opportunity.